How's everybody doing today? Hey, real quick, I wanted to talk to you about a quick little problem that some air conditioners have if there's a power situation at the home or even the commercial property for that matter. This particular customer tends to lose power or little brownout situations frequently, what causes the compressor to short cycle and to overheat and shut off. So what I decided to do was to put in a delay on brake timer. So if the power does get shut off, it delays how quickly the compressor can start back up. This should help a whole bunch. We put this in here. Right here, it's called a delay on brake timer. And we can adjust the time anywhere from a few seconds up to 5 minutes. I typically set it somewhere, around 2 minutes. Hopefully you find this helpful. If you need any help, give Leaf Heating and Cooling a call, or your local HVAC contractor should be able to install something like this for you for no problem. Have a wonderful day.